Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. This is Daisy. I have started a series of tutorials where I will be teaching you how to make custom garden flags. I will teach you how to sew 5 different styles of garden flags so you can customize them with the technique of your choice. At the end of making all the designs, I will show you different ways to customize them for different special occasions or seasons of the year. And the materials we're going to need to sew these garden flags are the fabric of your choice. You may use polyester if you wish to sublimate, cotton Canva, denim, cotton, or any other if you want to customize with a different technique than sublimation. My favorites to sew these garden flags are cotton Canva and blackout decor in polyester. Also, we're going to need scissors, fabric pins, tape measure, ruler, a washable fabric pen, or a pencil. And to display your flag, you're going to need a garden flag holder. In the description below, I will leave you the list and links of the products used in this project. These 2 garden flags were made in the first 2 tutorials. I'm going to leave you the link of these tutorials in the video description. Today I'm going to be sewing this garden flag. It's going to be reversible so you can customize it on both sides. The measurements of the finished garden flags are 12.5 by 18 inches. Let's start preparing the fabric. And to make this garden flag, we're going to need 3 pieces of fabric with the measurements on the screen. I am using polyester and cotton Canva fabric. Press the fabric, put the 2 big pieces together, align them, secure them with pins, mark a space of 7 inches on the top, and we're going to sew all around, leaving that 7 inches space, that to turn it inside out. We're going to leave 1/2 inch seam allowance. Turn inside out, but before, let's cut the corners a little above the stitches. Press and make the folds where you left the gap. This one is going to be the top. Then fold on top by 2.5 inches. Iron it, secure with pins, and sew, leaving a 2 inches seam allowance. Get the smaller piece of fabric, fold 1/2 inch on each side, iron, and place it on top of the flag. Align it, secure it with pins, and we're going to sew on top, leaving 1/4 inch seam allowance. This applique is small, but you can make it bigger if you wish. This one is made out of polyester, so I can sublimate it later. We already finished sewing the custom garden flag. As you could see, the process of making this garden flag is very easy. It is ready to be customized for any special occasions such as summer, fall, Christmas, birthdays, welcome signs, and many more. When I finish sewing the 5 styles, I'm going to teach you how to customize them using different techniques. In the description below, I will leave you the list and links of the products used in this project. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to make this other garden flag. This one is going to be a reversible garden flag. So stay tuned for my next tutorials. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and press the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.